Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these flour tortillas. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and into it place the plain flour, the salt and the baking powder and give them a brief mix just to ensure that they are all fully combined. Then you can go ahead and add in the wet ingredient, which is simply the melted lard and the milk. You can then go ahead and just start to combine the wet and the dry ingredients until a rough dough forms. You don't want it to be perfectly smooth and elastic as you'll be needing it, but just until it looks like a rough dough like that. Then set that aside for just a moment while you flour your work surface. Use a good amount. Then place the dough onto it and just knead it until it's smooth and elastic. You'll then want to bring the dough back into a ball shape and then place it into a mixing bowl, which is clean of course, and cover it with a damp tea towel and leave to rest for around 30 minutes. So once your dough has rested for 30 minutes, you will then want to take it from the bowl and place it on the scales, get the total weight and divide that by 10. So for me, each tortilla should weigh 51 grams. 50 to 51 is fine. So I take that amount, roll it between my hands just into a ball, and then place it onto a plate. You'll want to repeat this for the rest of your dough. Once you've got all of your dough balls done, you'll then want to take them and place them onto a plate, cover loosely with cling film and allow to rest for just 10 minutes. Once they have had the 10-minute rest, you will then want to flour your work surface with a good amount of flour and then just start to roll out the dough, keeping it as circular as possible until it's around 8 or 9 inches in diameter. That's around the right size. If you want to make them bigger, you'll want to use more dough, so you'll probably get between 8 and 9 normal ones. You'll then want to preheat a frying pan or a cast iron skillet to a high heat, and then once it's come up to temperature, just place a tortilla into it and you'll notice that these bubbles or pockets of air start to appear, and that's what you want to do. Once you think it's done on one side, just flip it over, and once you can see that it's looking like a tortilla, you're good to go. Just flip it over and keep frying it until it's done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, my blog and all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye guys.